Hey, what's up, tubers and tubettes, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for over 800 subs. Today I'm going to be making a banging banana peanut butter smoothie. Banana chocolate peanut butter smoothie. Last time I did a vid like this was a long time ago, and today I'm going to be showing you how to, the last time I did it I only talked about it and it was just a banana chocolate smoothie. I only talked about it, so now I'm going to actually do it for you. Okay, so all you need are 5 ingredients. You need this chocolate here, Hershey's chocolate, okay, cocoa, and then unsweetened, 2 scoops of this. You need your peanut butter here, so I used the organic crunchy peanut butter from Kohl's, okay, 2 scoops of that. You need your 1 scoop of pure vanilla extract, and then you need your milk, and then your frozen banana. So I'm a big fan of Wendy's, but Wendy's, they don't have Wendy's over here, so I'm going to be making it at home, okay? Hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thank you for joining me my channel today. This is going to be a quickie. I never made a drink before too, so it's going to be just like maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Are you ready? Okay, here it goes. Okay, so here's my frozen banana. I'm taking it out now. So what you have to do is this. You have to cut up the banana. Just like that, okay? Okay. Okay, I'm taking out the banana now. So make sure it's a frozen banana because you want it to be very you want it to be, make sure it's a yellow banana too, make sure it's ripe so it can be sweet. Okay, I'm just taking it out now. You don't want to be using no like green bananas, okay? Just give me a second. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting some whipped cream on top of it, so you don't have to, but I like to, so. Okay. Just let me cut it open. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, once I get the banana open here. Oh gosh, okay. Here it is. So here's frozen banana. I'm going to be putting it in the mixer here. I'm using a Toshiba, so this can actually be a Toshiba review as well. And the Toshiba that I got is the model number, it's called BL-T60. This is called the BL-T60. So this is going to be the first time on my channel. So I'm just going to put it in here like that. So this can be a banana chocolate smoothie and a BL-T60 Toshiba blender review. And I highly recommend this blender because I like Toshiba products. So, okay. Okay. I'm just trying to get this open right now, so just give me a minute, tubers and tubettes. I'm making this fresh right now in front of you, so just give me a minute. I just got to get this banana open. Just give me a second, okay? Let me cut it open here. So. Okay. I really appreciate the... Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, this is actually probably a first too that I'm making a drink for you on my channel, because on my channel it's like the first time I'm making a drink, so that's why I got the blender, because I'm going to start making drinks for you too as well. Okay. Okay. I got the banana now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting it in the blender here like this. Okay, and I'm going to wash my hands, so just give me a second. Because my hands are so dirty, so I have to wash my hands now. Okay. Okay, we got the banana in there. Now you need your milk, so I'm using the... You can use one half cup, but I'm putting 3/4 cup, okay, of milk. So the milk that I'm using is called lactose-free low-fat milk. Okay. We'll be putting the milk in there now. Okay, that's enough. 3/4 cup should be enough. Now just put the milk in there like that. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put the peanut butter in there. Now I do this like once a week. I don't do it every day, but it's just something that I like to do, so. 2 scoops of peanut butter. Okay, so here's 1 scoop here. Okay. There's 1 scoop. Now I gotta put the other one. Let me get it out for you. Hold on. Sometimes it gets stuck in there, so. Okay, I got it. Okay. Okay, here's the 2nd scoop. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting the chocolate. You can put 1 or 2 tablespoons of chocolate. I'm going to go ahead and put 2. So there's 1 and here's 2. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting 1 vanilla and 1 honey. 1 vanilla and 1 honey. Are you ready? Okay, so here I go. I'm going to be putting 1 vanilla and 1 honey now. Let me break out the vanilla here. Okay. Okay. There it is. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay. Now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of honey because I like it a little bit sweet. You don't have to put it, but it's always good to put it. I'm using Doicom. Doicom is 100% honey. Here it goes. That should be enough. Okay. Okay, so like I said, I do this once a week. You're probably looking at about 200, maybe 300 calories. But it's good to have. It's good to have 2 birds and 2 beds. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now, I'm all ready to go. I got the vanilla in there. I got the peanut butter in there. I got the honey. I got the milk and the banana. So I'm all ready to go now. I'm going to blend it. So let me plug it in now because I got all this mess to clean up too. So I'm going to plug in the power. So this is not going to be like a 15, maybe it's just like a 10-minute vid, okay? Okay. And that's it. Okay, it's all plugged in now. Let me lock it in place. Okay. And then put the top on. And then we are ready to go. You ready? Okay, here it goes. I'm going to blend it now. Okay, that should be enough. There goes your chocolate and banana peanut butter smoothie. Alright, I'm going to try it now, so just give me a second here. Give me a minute. I'm going to pour it. This is my glass. I'm just going to pour it in here now. Okay. Perfect. I don't have to go to Wendy's anymore. There's no Wendy's here, so let me test it now. But before, I'm gonna put some whipped cream on it. So it's a little bit thick here. Let me get the spoon out. Don't put the spoon all the way in, because if you put the spoon all the way in, then you don't want it to touch the 4 blades, okay? Now this is a long holiday here, so this is a very long holiday, so that's why I'm doing it, because I have time on my hands. Okay, now I'm going to be testing it now, and I'll let you know how it is. Are you ready? Okay, here it goes. That is banging. That is banging. 100%, guys. 100%. That is banging. I highly recommend it. It's perfect. I don't have to go to Wendy's anymore. But let me tell you something, guys. I got a little surprise for you. So not only that, but I got a little whipped cream too. So I'm using this brand, Dairy Whip by Tatua. Okay, and here it goes. I'm gonna put some whipped cream on it. And there we go. Voila. Chocolate, banana, peanut butter smoothie. Made at home, fresh. Don't have to go to Wendy's anymore. Healthy, 300 calories. 1 time per week. Okay, now I gotta clean up. So just let me clean up here a little bit. And put a little more whipped cream on there. Yeah, okay. Okay, now let me clean up now. So I'll just stop it at 15, I guess, because I gotta clean up here a little bit. But as you can see, it's a very good hobby if you know how to cook. And this is a good drink. It's healthy for you, and you know, it's something that you can do at home. But like I said, I did this like a few years ago, and I only talked about chocolate banana smoothie, but I never actually made it for you guys. So this is the first time I'm actually making it for you. I'm adding peanut butter. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for over 800 subs. Remember, when you help other people, you help yourselves. I'm gonna start cleaning this now, because I got a lot to do here. I gotta clean all this mess here. That's the thing, when you're cooking, you have to clean. So it's no joke, guys. It's no joke. But okay, just let me get this all ready. You know, all perfect here, and then okay, and then that's about it, guys. That's about it. Let me unplug this because I don't want to get shocked. And I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Now, I think I'm gonna use a spoon for that. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And now what I'm gonna do is I have to clean up now. So we're gonna stop it now. And like I said, we just got another minute left. Thank you for joining today's episode, and I will see you in the next episode. Okay. Okay, so just let me put this over here in my place over here. Okay. I probably have to enjoy that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be stopping it now. Just let me do a little bit of cleanup here. And I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Take care of yourself, and then I'll see you in the next episode, okay? Okay, tubers and tubettes, I'm cleaning up now, so take care, and I'll see you in the next episode, okay? Okay, I'm going to stop it now. First, I'm just going to put this here, and then, yeah, I'm just going to put this in water first. And I have all the lights on, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna stop it now. Okay, tubers and tubettes, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now. Okay, bye-bye.